Welcome. All right, today, quick lesson, quick rundown in getting your glass top stove cleaned, from the scratches or scums that you normally see left from, constantly moving your pot, or, spillovers. You try and clean it. A lot of times we tend to use a little scraper and gently scrape the hard portions off, but then you notice it still leaves a little bit of scum. All right, so today I'm going to show you a simple trick: baking soda, vinegar. All right, so we're just going to remove the top, get everything off, get it cleaned. You'll have residue from oil spills or liquid, any liquid that was spilled, so it'll leave some scum. All right, so there we go. So all we do is just sprinkle a nice moderate amount of your baking soda around your surface, and we're gonna create a nice chemical reaction. Right, so your baking soda gone, and once you get this all gone, then we go in with our vinegar. And as you can hear, the reaction starting to take place. So I'll leave this for about a good 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes, depending on how bad it is. And at that point, then we'll come back and just give it a nice good scouring to get it off. So now I'm just spreading my mixture, just that it gets all around and soak. And we leave it to soak, and you can add more as needed. So if you notice you need more vinegar or more baking soda, you just add it as you go along. All right, so I'm gonna come back in about 10 minutes and show you. Notice, you see that chemical reaction? Good. All right, so I'll see you back in about 10 minutes, and this is soaked in, and then from there, clean it up, show you the finished product. All right, so now our 10 minutes have elapsed. So we'll just go through and do a gentle scrub on top. You can use a scouring, regular dish scouring pad, or you can use the Brillo, right? But the soft one, not the one that would scratch your surface, because you don't want to scratch your glass top. They go around. Make sure you're getting all the little marks or scum off your burn lines. You notice these silver lines. And just do that little circular motion. Keep going. And as you go along, you'll feel, whether it's rough or it's smooth. And whichever rough spot you find, you just add a little pressure and scrub. All right? Yeah. So there we go. All right, so there we go. And at the end of this process, if it's still not to your satisfaction, you can repeat, and it will be a bit easier second time around. All right, so we're done with that. Just grab yourself a quick piece of paper towel, and just do a quick wipe. That way you'll see your difference, right? You'll see all that transition from what it was to what it now is. Right. So there you go. You just go around and finish up your little areas. You still see little marks. Get our words back. And that's it. Real easy. Real easy. Real quick. You're done. Get your wet rag or more paper towel and just do your finish cleaning. All right. And that's it. That's how you clean your glass countertop. Stovetop. Sorry.